So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can program so that you can use your arrow keys to move your sprite around. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go and choose from your events category the when space key pressed block. Now we can set this event to any type of key on our keyboard. So if we pull 4 of these in, we can actually change the space key to up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Our next step is to go back into the motion category and make sure that our sprite is pointing in the direction that the arrow key is. So we're going to grab 4 of these point in direction blocks and attach them to our 4 events. And we're going to say when the up arrow key is pressed, we would like our sprite to point in the direction up, which is 0. When the down arrow key is pressed, we want to point him in the direction down, which is 180. When the right arrow key is pressed, we're going to leave this in the direction of right, which is 90. And when the left arrow key is pressed, we're going to change this to the left direction number, which is minus 90. Now, as our final step to make sure that the sprite actually moves, we're going to grab a move 10 steps block and attach that to each of our scripts. Now, when we test the code in the stage, we'll see that the right arrow moves the cat right, the left arrow moves the cat left, up moves the cat up, and down moves the cat down. Now the last part of this is to set the rotation style. In the new version of Scratch, we have a set rotation style block that we can use to make sure that the rotation style is set to don't rotate. But in the Scratch 2.0 version, the way that we're going to do this is by clicking on the little I, the info right next to the sprite, and we're going to be able to set the rotation style the way that we want it so that when we control the sprite, it doesn't flip up on its head.